Hi everyone, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. With the Academy Awards coming up, we thought it would be fun to do an Oscars table.
And you throw such great Academy Award party.
Stick around, we're going to do some very easy crafts that will help elevate your table. To start our Oscar table, I'm actually going to start on my back wall. So I wanted my theme to be black and gold. I bought this at Walmart. It's decorative fans and they were in all the colors I wanted. So I took my picture down and I pinned them right onto the wall. Because I took the picture down and I'm going to put it back, I wasn't worried about the little pinholes. Let's start our table with a nice dark black tablecloth. Then I have a few things I need to make for it, so let me show you how we're going to make them. We're going to make this film stock. I filled in the different movies that are nominated for Best Movie of the Year. There's 10 of them altogether. I did it in 2 pieces, so I did 5 movies on each side. So I thought it would be fun to fill in the little extra squares with movies you've actually seen, movies you've enjoyed, like Guardians of the Galaxy. Movies that don't normally get nominated for Oscars. So we're going to use some regular cardstock. I cut this at 6 centimeters width, and I cut it the length of the paper. I found 3 pieces of paper work out as the perfect length for what I want to do. Then I took my ruler and I just kind of marked where 1 centimeter was on each side, just all the way down. So then I started with pencil, just connected the lines. I took my marker, and this is the easiest way to do this. Holding your marker so that you don't go too far, and just run along. There. And do the same on the other side. Then to give our little windows, I just went along and just done my little squares. First I was worried about making sure they were all evenly spaced, and then I thought, well, nobody's really going to notice that much. Just be careful that they aren't odd shaped. So we just fill them in and then just make your little windows. So once I had 3 of these made, I taped them together. I used 2-way tape. I really like working with it. It keeps things nice and flat. When I had my 3 film stocks all connected in a line, I decided to put in my movies. So for this, I just used a gold pen and just wrote in Oscars. You could put the 2024 on here, or you could put it in a separate little frame. And then I wrote my movies. If you didn't want to do movies, you could do director of the year. You could do actress of the year. You can pick what you want to put in there. To finish off my little film strips, I made some little Oscars. I made them very simply. I drew a little shape of a little Oscar. I wasn't worried about getting all the details in with his sword and his arms and everything. I just drew the basic outline. Then I cut them out of this gold glitter paper, and I'm going to put them on as soon as I put them on my table. We're going to play around with our balloons, get them sitting the way we like. They're going to be shaped basically like a runner, and then we're going to add our film stock. So I used the candles because they're going to hold my card in position. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to layer it over the top. Oops. I wanted the nice flow and very organic feeling. Next, I'm going to show you two ideas that I had for the center table and why I changed one of them out. So these little kits that you can buy with balloons, they're built with straws, and so you don't have to worry about helium or anything like that. So this was my original idea, but when I put it together, I didn't like it. I just found it, with my chandelier, it was too close to it. There was just something off about it, and I did not like it. Instead, I decided to take that out, and I'm just going to put some candles in, but I'm only going to do a collection of 3. I liked my candles better. I found they were a cleaner look. They didn't try to take away from the balloons. They were just enough to finish off the look. Then I'm going to start setting my table. I'm going to use a combination of the silver, the gold, and the white. Finish off our table settings, and so that everyone knows where they're sitting, we're going to place our little Oscars. They're very easy to make. A little bit of gold paper, a little bit of black cardstock, a gold pen. So that's our Oscar table. I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope whoever you picked for best movie wins. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Join us next week. We're going to do a St. Patrick's Day table. My husband and I are both from Ireland, so it's a theme that means a lot to us.